Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amardeep Mishra and in this video I am going to talk about the concept of factors. Now factors is a very important topic with respect to exam and probably you will see one or two questions from this topic in all of our aptitude exams. Okay, so let's start this without any further delay. Okay, so factors are what? Factors are those numbers that divide the given number completely. Okay, this is the basic definition which we know already since our childhood. Okay, for example, if I take a number 4, right? So 4 has got how many factors? The first factor is 1, the second factor is 2, and the third factor is 4 itself. So 4 has got 3 factors, 1, 2, and 4. Okay, now if I talk about 12, so for 12, how many factors do we have? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, right? We have 6 and we have 12. So these many factors we have. Okay, this is how we find out the factors. Now there's one more way in which you can find out the factor of a given number. For example, you have 12. So 12 can be written in how many ways? In the product of two numbers. In the form of product of two numbers, 12 can be written in how many ways? So 12 can be written as 12 into 1, right? Or we can also say this is 1 into 12, right? 12 can also be written as 2 into 6, right? And 12 can also be written as 3 into 4, right? Now, if you take here 4, then again you will have to take here 3. So this is a repeated form, right? Again, if you take 6 here, so you will have to take 2. That means from this point, the numbers have started repeating. So you can see these 3 pairs, 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. Now, from these 3 pairs, you will get to know all the factors of 12, right? For example, if I take 18, so 18 can be written in the form of product of two numbers in how many ways? So 18 can be written as 1 into 18, right? Then 2 into 9, right? 3 into 6, 4 into something I cannot write, 5 into something I cannot write. Again, if you take here 6, so you will have to write 3. That means it will start repeating now. So you can see the initial 3 pairs, 1, 18, 2, 9, and 3, 6. So 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. These are all the factors of 18, right? So it is quite easy to find out the total number of factors of small composite number. If a composite number is small, if you have a small number, and if somebody asks you find out all the factors, then it is very easy for you to find out all the number of factors. But when you have, in case you have a larger number, then it gets very difficult for you to find out the number of factors, right? So we are going to find out the total number of factor of a larger number. Okay. So suppose we have a number, let's say 5,000. Okay. You have to find out all the factors. Not actually find out, you have to tell me how many factors 5,000 has in total, right? So what you have to find out is you have to figure out the total number of factors for 5,000. Okay. Now we cannot count all the factors on finger. It will be a very cumbersome and very time consuming process, right? So what we have to do, we have to change this number in the form of prime factor format. So whenever a large composite number is given to you, you have to change that number in the form of prime factor format. Okay. So 5,000 can be written as 5 into 1,000, right? And this 1,000 is what? This is your 10 cube. So I can write it like 5 into 10 cube. Okay. Now 10 is what? 10 is your 2 into 5. So I can write 2 into 5 whole cube. And this is 5. So if you open this, you will get 2 power 3 into 5 power 3 and this 5 here. Now this 5 and this 5 cube, they will combine and they will give you 5 power 4, right? So you can write 2 power 3 into 5 power 4. This is the prime factor format of 5,000. Okay. So this is how we find out the prime factor format of any number, of any composite number. Now, please remember, in the prime factor format, you will see only prime numbers and their powers. You will not see any composite number. Okay. So here you can see 2. 2 is a prime number and the power is 3. The second prime number is 5 and the 5 power is 4. So in the prime factor format, you will get to see only prime numbers and their powers. Please keep this in mind. Okay. You cannot write 6 into 4, 6 power 4 into 4 power 5 and then you say this is the prime factor format. No, this is wrong, because 6 can further be broken down as 2 into 3. Okay. Anyways, so now first step is done. In the first step, you need to find out the prime factor format. Okay. Now the next step is what you have to do. You have to look at the power of 2 and the power of 5. The power of 2 is what? 3. So take here 3 in the first bracket and add 1. Okay. This is your second step. So power of 2 is what? 3. So take 3 and add 1. Now multiply. Take second bracket. In the second bracket, take the power of 5. Power of next prime number. That is 4 here. So take this 4 and add 1. Okay. Now 3 plus 1 is what? 4. And 4 plus 1 is what? That is 5. So 4 into 5, you will get how much? 20. This is the total number of factors. Total number of factors of which number? Of 5,000. Let me write here. Total number of factors of 5,000. Okay. So if you keep on counting, like 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, okay, then 4 is the factor, then 5 is the factor, then 10 is the factor. So this is how you will get to see that there are total 20 numbers which will divide 5,000 completely. Okay. So this is how we find out the total number of factors. Now, one question you can ask me, sir, why plus 1 you have done? So now understand. In this prime factor format, you have 2 power 3 into 5 power 4. Okay. Now, please understand. 2 power 3, here you take 2 columns. Okay. In the first column, you write all the powers of 2 starting from 2 power 0. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, and up to 2 power 3. And 5 power 4 means start from 5 power 0, take 5 power 1, then 5 power 2, then 5 power 3, then 5 power 4. Okay. Now, if you use the concept of permutation and combination, which we have not discussed yet. So, but anyways, suppose if I take this number and multiply this with this number, so I will get 1 factor, means 2 power 0 into 5 power 0. 2 power 0 is what? 1. So 1 into 1, that means 1 is the first factor. Then you take 2 power 0 and from the second column, you take 5 power 1. So 2 power 0 into 5 power 1, you will get 5. Second factor. Then you take 2 power 0 and take 5 square, means 2 power 0 into 5 square, that is 25. Okay, third factor. So this is how you will get all the factors. But we do not have to find out these factors individually. Okay, we just have to count the total number of factors. Okay, in the question, it is being asked whether how many factors are for 5,000. The total number of factors you have to find out. Okay. In the exam, you will not be asked to find out all these factors individually. No. Now understand here, because I have taken 2 power 0 and 5 power 0, that is why this 3 plus 1 here and 4 plus 1 here I have taken. Okay. Because 2 power 3 indicates you start from 2 power 0, then you take 2 power 1, then you take 2 power 2, and then you take 2 power 3. Similarly for 5. So 4 values here, 5 values here. That is why 3 plus 1, 4, 4 here, and 4 plus 1, 5 here. So 4 into 5, that is 20. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Now let us solve one more question. Let's say we have 24,000. Okay, we have to find out total number of factors for 24,000. Okay, so 24,000, first of all, the first step is to convert the number into its prime factor format. So 24,000 can be written as 24 into 1,000, right? Now 24 further can be written as 8 into 3. And 1,000 is what? 1,000, this is your 10 whole cube. 10 is 2 into 5. So it will come out to be, this value will come out to be 2 cube into 5 cube. Okay. Now this 8 is what? This 8 is 2 cube again. And this is 3 power 1. So 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. Now this 2 cube and this 2 cube, they will combine and they will give you 2 power 6. Okay. In 2 power 6 into 3 power 1 and into 5 power 3. Right? Okay. So here, the next step is very easy. Look at the power of first prime number. Now, this is the prime factor format. Okay, for 24,000, this is the, you can say this is the prime factor format. Okay, now what is the power of 2? The power of 2 is 6, the power of 3 is 1, the power of 5 is 3. So in the first bracket, take 6 and add 1. Second bracket, take this 1 and add 1. Why 1? Because 1 is this, 1 is the power of this 3. In the next bracket, you take this 3 and add 1. Okay. So 6 plus 1, 7 into this 2 into this 4. Okay. So 7 2s are, so this will be 14 into 4, that's 56. So there will be total number of factors. How many? 56. Okay, so for 24,000, you have total 56 number of factors. So this is how we can find out the total number of factors for any composite number. Okay, again, I'm repeating, the first step is you need to convert the given number into its prime factor format. Okay, then the next step is look at the power of each prime number, add 1 in each power and multiply them, and you will get the total number of factor for that number. Okay, now I'm giving you a question for you to solve. The question is 30,000. Okay, for 30,000, find out the total number of factors. Okay, please quickly type your answer in the chat box once you solve this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to cover the concept of how to find out the sum of all the factors. Okay, thanks for watching this, and please like this video, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and with those students who are preparing for the aptitude rounds. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such useful videos. Thank you.